Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been using HTTP Custom VPN, you probably noticed that the app recently received a new update. While this new version works perfectly fine for most people, several users have reached out and mentioned that it is not performing well on their devices, causing connection issues and unstable browsing. So in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to download and use the older, more stable version of HTTP Custom VPN, along with the custom UDP server you need to make everything work smoothly. Stick with me till the end, because I will walk you through every single step in detail. Before we touch HTTP Custom, we first need to set up our custom UDP server, since this is what will provide us with the configuration details required later. To do this, open the Play Store on your device and tap on the search icon at the top. In the search bar, type in Custom UDP and press Enter to pull up the results. Once the search results appear, look for the Custom UDP app and tap on it to open its page. This is the app we are going to use to create our server. Now, tap on the download button to begin installing the app. Depending on your internet speed, this should only take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, tap the Open button to launch the Custom UDP app. When the app opens, you will land on its home screen. Here you will notice several different servers and configuration options available, but for this tutorial, we are only going to focus on creating a custom UDP server, since that is what we need for HTTP Custom to work properly. Now let's move on to downloading the older version of HTTP Custom. Open any browser on your phone and go to the Aptoide website, or simply search for HTTP Custom APK and click on the Aptoide link from the results. The first thing you need to download is the Aptoide APK itself, so go ahead and wait for that download to finish. Once it is downloaded, launch the Aptoide app. This will bring up a pop-up allowing you to search directly for HTTP Custom. From there, choose an older version, ideally version 6, since that is the most stable and widely used release. Give it a moment to download completely, and once it is finished, tap Install. If you already have the newer version of HTTP Custom installed on your device, you will need to uninstall it first before installing this older version. Otherwise, the system may block the installation or ask you to update instead. After removing the new version, tap Install again, and this time the installation will begin properly. Wait for it to complete, and once it is done, open the app to land on its home screen. Now, if you aren't familiar with how HTTP Custom works, don't worry, it is quite simple. First, check the UDP box inside the app to enable UDP mode. Then, switch back to the Custom UDP app and copy the server details one by one. Things like the IP address, user credentials, and any other information provided, and paste them into the corresponding fields inside HTTP Custom. Once you have entered all the details correctly, simply tap the Start button, and your VPN connection will be established using the older, more stable version of HTTP Custom. And that is really all there is to it. By following these steps, you should now be able to enjoy a smoother and more reliable VPN experience using the classic version of HTTP Custom, paired with your own custom UDP server. If this video helped you out, do not forget to hit the like button, drop a comment down below if you run into any issues, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Take care.